Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, why do successful people in intraday trading not reveal their strategy? Answer by Vijay Sachdev. First of all, it's a myth that successful people don't share their trading strategy because they don't have to give profit from their pocket. It's an open market and available for all. If you learn good profit from market, it doesn't affect my earnings. I'm sharing best strategies for trading and investment, as well as I shared best stocks which has given huge returns in past. I gave buy recommendations in beta when it was 70 Rs only, and still people are sending thank you messages for that kind of recommendations. Now I am sharing my few points before you know intraday trading strategy. Well, I am trading in this market for many years, so I have grabbed much knowledge after spending a lot of time in trading. I learned few things from intraday trading which I am mentioning below. Intraday trading is completely risky, so if any person is coming with only profit expectations or with sentiments, he or she should not trade, because market will never understand your emotions. Intraday trading is a technique which can be learned and improved day by day, so you have to keep on learning every day. Stock selection is most important part in intraday trading, so you have to choose stock very wisely. Intraday trading involves high risk which can give complete or partial capital loss, so there should be risk calculation like 2 to 4% at risk of entire capital in a single trade. Because if your trade goes into loss, you don't lose more than that. Never ever trade in stock market with anybody's money. Yes, this is most important while trading, because I have seen many people who takes personal loan or borrow money from someone and regret after losing that money. You should trade with your own spare money only. Now I am sharing favorite strategy which is not complicated for newcomers and can generate good profit in intraday. First of all, choose less volatile and liquid stocks for trading in intraday. I don't prefer high volatile stocks which can trigger your stop loss easily or don't have enough volumes. Let me help you to choose less volatile stocks which has good volumes, as well as they are not highly volatile. I will choose Apollo Tire if I have to choose from tire stock rather than seed or MRF. Same way I will choose Ambuja Cement rather than ACC or Ultratech Cement. You can choose stock which have liquidity and less volatility. Now you have to find out either that stock is bullish or bearish. For that you have to check its last few days movement. If it is continuously bullish irrespective of market movement, I will buy that whenever I will find it near day's low or at lower levels. Example of today, Apollo Tire is bullish stock and it was not falling with the market, so it was a best buying opportunity when it was near low. It made 291.65 low in morning and made high of 300 in closing. So this was best chance to select bullish stock and buy at support. So whenever you have to trade for intraday, find out less volatile liquid stock and buy it at lower level if it's a bullish stock, or sell it if it's a bearish stock. I never suggest to buy falling stocks. To buy for intraday like BPCL, HPCL or IOC. It's completely risky to catch falling knife. You may get profit in some case, but it's against the trend, which I never suggest. Buy only strong stocks which are not falling with the market. JSW Steel, Heim Zinc, Vadlar are also a great example of that. Tata Global, DLF, Arvind Limited, LIC Housing, TCS, and there are many more which are strong and giving best results in intraday if you buy them near support. Don't buy weak stocks in bullish market. I am sharing my last 2 months statement in which I taken Topaz Profit Service from Equitix, in which they gave me 449,000 profit in less than 2 months time frame. I am using their services from 1.5 years and I recommended their name many times and showing their results only. They just fulfilled the commitment, which was 455,000 profit in 60 to 75 days irrespective of volatile and negative market. Remember few points while deciding about any trade. Don't buy falling stock, or especially when it's facing resistance, because it can trap you and give you big losses. Latest examples are PSU banks, which were falling continuously. Never buy them for intraday though it looks attractive to you. Buy only those stocks which are taking support and not coming down with the market and rising with the market, so that you will get good money in intraday. Don't trade in stocks who have any kind of news, results or any controversy, because it's completely gambling to trade like that. Like we see that PSU Banks has negative news from last 1520 days. Always avoid to trade in this kind of sector or stocks. Always apply a proper stop loss while you initiate any trade and maximize your profit by modifying your stop loss to cost so that whenever big movement comes, you can generate big profit. I hope I have solved and answered your question in right manner. If you like my answers, always upvotes and share it so that maximum people can get benefits. I really thank you all for giving me overwhelming response, upvotes and sharing my content which inspire me to write more and more. I heartily thank you all. Answer by Deepanwita S. Hello viewers, this is my first answer. Here I'm going to explain why successful people will not reveal their strategy. Everyone craves for success, but it is only a handful who achieve it in the real sense. In your life, success can have different meanings and interpretations. In India or somewhere else, no one reveals the secret for success. Because success comes from hard work. If successful people reveals their strategy also we cannot earn profits in stock market. Not everyone thinks in the same way. Everyone will have their own thinking and at the same time strategies are different from person to person. It's never as good as you think it is when you think it's good. It's never as bad as you think when you think it's bad. My advice for who wants to get success in stock market, do something you are passionate about, do something you love. You are just naturally going to succeed, and a lot of other things will happen that you don't need to worry about. Source Google. I say what a strategy means. For example, you are good at theoretical knowledge but you don't have practical knowledge. If you start doing trading, you may get lot of doubts, because you don't know how it works. There is a lot of difference between practical and theoretical knowledge. Of course, having theoretical knowledge that helps you so much in analyzing the stock, you know what will happen when the company issues dividend, bonus shares, buyback shares, right shares, offer for shares, quarter results and many more. I suggest for beginners start with little amount. Initially you may get lot of doubts, losses, irritation etc., but at the same time you will come to know how it works. If you have still hope and interest in trading, next time you will come with new idea or new strategy to overcome the losses. It's nothing but a strategy. Here you no need to become a scientist, just follow the basic rules, start learning from today, never stop learning. Whether you're a beginner, new to stock market, you don't know it all. Admitting this is not a sign of weakness. The successful traders are those who are lifelong learners. Every day you get new data, new strategy. Follow basic rules for success in trading. Skill assessment, mental preparation, set risk level, set goals, train your brain, make the commitment to trade professionally, keep excellent records, working with your current life, being able to mentally focus on the task at hand, take a stock and make a plan, design and refine your personal trading strategy, test your trading strategy thoroughly, analyzing trader and strategy performance. I will not try to beat the system by getting in early. Follow the successful people, don't follow their strategies. Find a mentor to guide you, boost your market knowledge, leap from just so to market pro. Finally, I want to ask everyone why people always ask others for trading strategies. The market is open for everyone, everyone can prepare their own strategy. Stop asking for strategy. If you want to become successful in the stock market, first prepare for everything like time, money, patience and many more. Learn more and more about stock market, do practicals with little amount, you may end up with losses. Once ask yourself why I'm facing losses, what's my mistake, find out the mistake then you will find a new strategy. Mistakes are nothing but experience and finally you will become master in trading. Zero to discount broker, offering zero brokerage on all investments or delivery in F&O, intraday are very low, 0.01% or 20 rupees per executed order, whichever is low. Open an online trading and demat account with Zerodha and enjoy the lowest brokerage. And my communication is not up to the mark. If any grammar mistakes are there, please adjust. I'm trying to improve my skills. Thank you. Deepanwita S. Answer by Sandeep Biswas. First of all, I never day traded, and whatever you are seeing on the attached screenshot, which is last page of day trading done by RM of Sherkan on behalf of me. Have you noticed anything on the scripts? Except strides, walk hard, all have given multifold return in 3 years. The trade you are seeing has been conducted during September 2014 with a loss, and the RM who was trading on behalf of me was introduced to me as a day trading wizard. At the end he lost his job, so there is no successful strategy of day trading. I am telling one story. An army general once heard that a peasant in a village has so perfect in shooting that most of the time he is hitting the bullseye with his pistol. He went to the village and asked the peasant to show his shooting skill. The peasant loaded his pistol and started firing on a whiteboard kept at long distance. The general asked, What are you doing? The peasant told. Let me finish my firing, then I will draw the bullseye. Exactly these things you are seeing when a day trader is claiming about his success. Nothing is great than buy and hold, because behind every stock there is a company who has to perform for your stock price appreciation. There is no definite consistent strategy of day trading. It is just a hit or miss, depends on your skill and luck.